By 2035, experts predict that nearly 40% of today's jobs could be replaced by AI and automation. That's a huge number. From routine office tasks to complex industrial processes, machines will increasingly handle what humans used to do, but not everything is at risk. Some skills are uniquely human skills that AI simply cannot replicate. These are the abilities that will allow you to thrive, not just survive, in the age of intelligent machines. In TISB, though, we'll explore the 5 skills that will remain invaluable in 2035 and beyond. Skills that will help you stay ahead of automation, future-proof your career, and maintain your relevance in an increasingly AI-driven world. The world of work is changing faster than ever. AI can now analyze data, detect patterns, and even write content in ways that were unimaginable. A decade ago, routine work, once considered stable, is now vulnerable. But humans have advantages that AI will never fully replicate. Creativity, empathy, and critical thinking remain at the core of what makes us human. Understanding and developing these skills will be crucial for anyone who wants to remain relevant in a highly automated future. Over the next 15 years, jobs in areas like customer service, data entry, and basic analyses are at high risk. Meanwhile, roles that demand problem-solving, innovation, and interpersonal communication will become more valuable than ever. Let's start with critical thinking and problem-solving. AI can process vast amounts of data and generate predictions, but it lacks the ability to think critically when conditions are uncertain or when new challenges arise. Human judgment, considering context, weighing multiple perspectives, and making decisions under uncertainty is something AI cannot fully replicate. Complex problem-solving is not just about analyzing numbers or following a formula. It's about creativity, reasoning, and adaptability. For example, solving a business problem may involve not only financial analysis, but also understanding human behavior, market trends, and ethical considerations. To strengthen this skill, start by challenging yourself with real-world scenarios. Evaluate AI outputs critically, ask why and how questions, and consider multiple solutions before deciding. Combining analytical reasoning with creative insight will make you indispensable. Even as automation increases, the best problem solvers are those who can anticipate challenges before they arise, adapt to changing circumstances, and make informed decisions that machines alone cannot achieve. This skill is the foundation for almost every role that will survive AI. Next is creativity and innovation. Creativity is one of the most human traits. While AI can mimic patterns, generate variations, or compose art based on existing data, it cannot originate truly novel ideas. Originality, imagination, and vision are uniquely human. Innovation will be crucial in a world where automation handles routine work. Whether it's creating new digital content, designing products, or inventing entirely new services, human creativity will remain irreplaceable. To build this skill, embrace interdisciplinary thinking. Combine knowledge from different fields to create something new. Experiment with ideas that challenge conventional thinking, and use AI tools as assistants rather than let AI handle repetitive or computational tasks. While you focus on innovation, the future belongs to those who can envision possibilities others cannot see. Creativity paired with strategic thinking will be a skill that guarantees long-term relevance. The third essential skill is emotional intelligence. Often called AI can analyze language, detect sentiment, and even mimic human interaction. But it cannot genuinely understand emotions or human relationships. Leadership, empathy, negotiation, and teamwork are human domains that machines cannot replace. People with high EQ can build trust, influence teams, resolve conflicts, and inspire others. These skills are crucial for any role that involves collaboration, management, or client interaction. Even in highly automated workplaces, human connection remains vital. To develop emotional intelligence, practice active listening, seek feedback, and improve your communication skills. Learn to navigate difficult conversations and understand perspectives different from your own. Cultivating empathy and social awareness will ensure you remain relevant in both professional and personal contexts. Organizations increasingly value employees who can combine technical skills with human-centered leadership. EQ is no longer optional, it's essential. Fourth on our list is digital and AI literacy, while creativity and emotional intelligence are human strengths. Digital fluency is the bridge that connects humans to AI. Understanding AI systems, basic coding, data analysis, and emerging technologies will give you a competitive edge. You don't need to become a full-time programmer, but knowing how AI works, its limitations, and its potential will help you make smarter decisions. Professionals who can leverage AI to automate tasks, interpret data, and enhance productivity will have a clear advantage. To build this skill, learn basic programming languages like Python, explore no-code AI platforms, and familiarize yourself with data visualization tools. Understand AI ethics and the biases that can affect decisions. Being digitally literate allows you to work alongside AI instead of competing with it. It's not about replacing humans, it's about amplifying human potential. Those who master AI literacy will be at the forefront of innovation and efficiency. Finally, the fifth skill is adaptability and lifelong learning. The only constant in the 21st century workplace is change. Technology evolves rapidly, industries shift, and new tools emerge every year. Being able to learn, pivot, and embrace change is essential for long-term success. Lifelong learners survive and thrive in uncertainty. Those who continuously update their skills, experiment with new tools, and adjust to changing environments will be the ones who remain valuable in the job market. To strengthen adaptability, cultivate curiosity, and stay informed about technological trends. Treat learning as a daily habit, not a one-time event. Embrace failure as a learning opportunity and iterate like the AI systems you work with. Those who are adaptable will not only survive automation, they will seize new opportunities created by it. The ability to evolve with technology is the ultimate future-proof skill. So, by 2035, which skills will ensure your career thrives rather than disappears? Critical thinking, creativity, emotional intelligence, digital literacy, and adaptability. These are the human strengths that machines cannot replicate. By developing these skills now, you're investing in a future where you remain relevant, empowered, and ready to face the challenges of an AI-driven world. The future belongs to those who prepare for it today. Start honing these abilities, combine them with your personal interests, and stay curious. Your career, your growth, and your value in the workplace will depend on it. Remember, AI is a tool, but human potential is limitless. Future-proof yourself, embrace these skills, and thrive in the world of 2035. Thank you for watching. If you want to stay ahead of AI and future-proof your career, subscribe and join our community of forward-thinking professionals.